The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for East Central Schuyler County in central New Jersey until 3:21 a.m. At 1:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cayuga and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, 3 inches of hail and winds in excess of 90 miles per hour. Source, train spotters reported funnel cloud in Cayuga. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roof siding and trees will likely occur with possible total destruction in the local area. This replaces the tornado watch that was in effect for the local area. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor.